In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide executions on Ninjatrader. If your charts are cluttered with entry and exit markers, this quick adjustment will give you a cleaner view without changing any of your data, trades, or strategies. You'll still have all your historical trade information. You're just choosing not to display those markers on the chart. Start by moving your mouse over the chart where the execution markers are visible. These are the small arrows or labels that show where orders filled. Right-click directly on the chart area. A context menu will appear with several options related to that specific chart. From that right-click menu, select Data Series. This opens the Data Series window for the chart you clicked, where you control how the chart's data is displayed. Think of this window as the control center for visual settings, from candles and colors to, in our case, trade plot options. In the Data Series window, look to the Properties panel. You'll see various sections, and the one we need is called Trades. It's typically near the bottom of the list, so scroll down until you reach it. If your list is long or you use multiple instruments, take a moment to get to the very end. The Trades section is where Ninjatrader groups all execution display settings for the chart. Within the Trades section, find the setting labeled Plot Executions. This determines whether Ninjatrader draws those entry and exit markers on the chart. Click the value next to Plot Executions and change it to Do Not Plot. By choosing Do Not Plot, you're telling Ninjatrader to stop drawing those markers on this chart only. This does not cancel trades, remove fills, or clear performance data. It simply hides the on-screen visual markers, so your price action, indicators, and levels are easier to read. Once you've set plot executions to Do Not Plot, click OK to apply the change and close the window. The chart will refresh, and the entry and exit markers should disappear immediately, leaving you with a clean, distraction-free view. Your chart data, indicators, and drawings remain exactly as they were. If you don't notice a change, make sure you applied the setting on the correct chart and confirm there were executions visible to begin with. Remember, this adjustment affects only the current chart, which is helpful if you prefer to keep executions visible on one chart for review and hidden on another for analysis. You can always return to the same setting later and choose a different display option if you want the markers back. That's all it takes to hide executions in Ninjatrader and streamline your workspace for clearer analysis.